Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add border in PicsArt. Adding a border to your image in PicsArt can give it a polished look and help it stand out. So here's how you can easily add a border to your image. Tap open the PicsArt application from your mobile device and make sure to sign in. Now click on the See All Plus button at the top left corner to start up a new project. Select an image from your camera roll or tap on Background at the top right and choose a stock image that you want to edit. After choosing the image and it is loaded on your screen, go to the bottom menu and look for a border option and tap on it. Once you do that, you will then be able to add border on your image. You will see options to adjust the outer thickness and its colors, inner thickness, and the color for inner thickness, and the radius for your image. Use the sliders to increase or decrease the border thickness. You can choose to have an inner or outer border or both by adjusting the sliders. After you are done with adjusting its settings, you can now go ahead and click on Apply at the top right corner and then click on Next at the top right. Save your bordered images by clicking on Save at the bottom right if you want to save it on your device's camera roll, or if you want to share it directly to other social media platforms or your friends, tap on Post at the bottom right and select your social media platform or your friends that you want to send this image to. So that is how you will be able to easily add a border to your images in PicsArt, giving them a neat, finished look that enhances their visual appeal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.